Now, are we ready?
Yes.
Oh, that failed. Thank God for editing.
We're back here in Montreal at G's Pizzas. Last week, he made this amazing lemon curd pizza based on Gordon Ramsay's recipe. And then he was inspired to make a completely different pizza with some meringue on top. It was divine. So today, he invited me. He's like, I got an idea.
I've been craving smoked salmon recently.
You know what? That's very Montreal.
Very Montreal. And my favorite bagel is all dressed bagel. So I got some smoked salmon from a local smoked salmon shop, which is like top notch. I was thinking we could maybe do the Spago Wolfgang Puck pizza. Wolfgang Puck is like a little idol for me. Like, I love him.
Well, this is gonna be a real treat. I love smoked salmon. So let's get to it. Show
Let's
me
do
how
it.
it's done.
All right.
Show me how it's done.
We're gonna take our dough. This is our beautiful dough.
You touch it so delicately. It's like you're massaging it.
You have to be delicate. This has been working now for a few days, creating little bubbles. If you smash it, you're just removing all those bubbles. We're gonna give it a nice little stretch. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Little flicker there is. Olive oil, red onion. Okay, we blasted the oven, yeah? Whoop. So it's cooking. We're gonna turn the pizza.
So out of curiosity, when people put the pizzas, there's always, you monitor it by eye. There's never timers. Do some people use timers?
Some people use timers.
Okay.
Some people don't. I like to go with the feel. Each pizza is like a little individual. So, yeah, I'm happy with this. We're good, yeah. We're gonna take creme fraiche with chopped dill. Listen, I'm not the biggest fan of chopped dill, but in this situation,
Well, the good news is I love dill.
you love the dill.
I love the dill.
The important thing when you get smoked salmon is that it's sliced thinly. Thinly. We're gonna top it with some caviar.
Ooh.
Caviar. Now, from what I remember, there was only one type of caviar in this.
Okay.
I could be wrong. Sorry if I am. And we're gonna finish it with some chopped cheese, or as I like to call them, chives. This is it.
Bon appetit. I hope I don't make a mess all over.
I probably will.
Very refreshing. Weird to say that about a pizza, eh? The creme fraiche and the dill.
So refreshing. Wolfgang Puck, man. Thank you, chef.
What do you have in store for me now?
So I was telling you that I love all dressed bagels. So this is what we're gonna do. Watch. So we do Roman pizzas. Pizza al taglio. So this is hot out of the oven, and it's a white pizza with our own all-dressed bagel seasonings. Okay, so we're gonna trim. Look inside, guys, look inside. And we're gonna open this up. We're gonna blow your mind with this one. You're gonna be like, this is that creme fraiche from the previous. We're gonna make a pizza farcita, stuffed pizza. Okay, then we're gonna put the smoked salmon. We're gonna close it up. This is where it's gonna go bonkers, okay? We grab a pound of butter. Pound of butter. Pound of butter.
Do people normally put butter on pizzas?
I don't know what people normally do, but today we're putting butter on a pizza.
All right, some red onions.
We're gonna take our caviar again. This is crazy. Some chives. We're gonna finish with just a little bit of lemon zest to cut through the butter.
So would you eat this every day, or is this like once a year type of pizza?
Like once a week.
You guys see this? Have you ever seen something so decadent before? Let's do it. This is fabulous.
The lemon, the smoked salmon, the creme fraiche. You taste it all.
Are you gonna offer people this pizza?
For a limited time only.
If you're in Montreal and you wanna taste the best pizza in town, click the description below. There's a link to G's Pizza. And if you're new to this channel, watch this other video and subscribe to my channel.
First world problem. Somebody mint an NFT. Come on.